How you doing? Welcome back to the show. This is Chon Tech here. So the Mrs. Chon Tech and the two kiddos had a really cool project that they were working on this morning. They made Rice Krispies treats. And they actually had a really great idea, really like kind of an artistic looking idea to make them look like watermelon, which I was like, oh, that's totally cool. I started looking at what they were doing, and I watched the process a little bit in terms of like melting the marshmallow and mixing it in with the Rice Krispies and the food coloring and everything like that. And so we were watching that all take place. They put it inside the fridge for like 15, 20 minutes, something like that, and then took them out of the fridge. And of course, we gotta wait for the right time to give the Rice Krispies treat. And it made me think, have I ever looked at a Rice Krispies treat up close under a microscope? And I think the answer is no. I really do. So what I'm actually going to kind of do, I used a clean pair of tweezers and plucked a little piece of the Rice Krispies treat watermelon off of there, the green part. It's the rind, and that part's not going to get eaten anyway, right? No, it's probably all going to be eaten. But I also grabbed some of the actual dry Rice Krispies cereal, and I thought we'd look at one of those pieces. Now I'm actually going to grab one right now with a pair of tweezers. There you go. I'm holding one in my hand. This is a single piece of Rice Krispies, which I guess would be a Rice Crisp. If it's just one piece of Rice Krispies, is this a Rice Crisp? Does anyone know? If you know the grammar of what I am talking about right now, leave a comment down in the comment below so that somebody can identify a little bit about what that is. But yeah, there you have it. A single Rice Crisp is what that is. This is it doesn't really have a lot of color to it. You know, doesn't really have a lot of color. Let's take a closer look at what this looks like. Whoa! Look at all the texture that thing has. Look at that. See that? You see? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Look at what that looks like. Little bubbles that are with it on there. Oh, that's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So I'm gonna try. Let me make sure I get oh, that's too much. That's just too much. I might not need the backlight at all. I might just need to be a lot of the top light. Let's come on down. Look a little bit deeper. Whoa! It has all sorts of texture to it. So let me try and make this look so you can kind of see what I am seeing here. I'm gonna try and change the gamma around a little bit. Okay, that might be a little bit there. Try and change that there. There are a ton. This is a very, what we would call a porous material. And porous is kind of a scientific word that essentially means full of pores or full of lots and lots of little holes. In other ways to phrase it, there's another thing in geometry called surface area. And the surface area of something is how much area it is around the outside. Like the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. The area of a surface is like all the parts of the surface for that particular area. This has a larger than normal surface area because there's all sorts of little tiny holes. And if you were actually to really do a surface area calculation on this, you'd actually find it to be a lot larger than the actual overall surface area of the general Rice Crisp is what it would be. There are a ton of little porous holes on a single piece of Rice Crisp is what that is. Can you see that? Whoa, that's pretty cool what that is. But now, that's the Rice Crisp, and then what does it look like? Covered with a pair of tweezers and snap, crackle, and pop. Oh my goodness, it just poked right through. Sorry about that. That okay? Wow, it's hollow on the inside. It's hollow. Oh my goodness. There you go. I'm gonna try and grab. It's like This is like the hardest pumpkin I have ever carved. Can somebody carve a pumpkin out of a Rice Crisp? Is that even scientifically possible? Do you know anyone that's done this? I'm gonna try and grab a piece, which is actually, so there you go. There you have it. A single Rice Crisp crumb is what you see. Oh gosh, that's really bright. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I was digging around on the inside. I don't know if you saw that on there. I should be probably looking. Oof, excuse me. Pardon me. Oh my goodness. This is so so delicate in operation. Can I grab a different pair of tweezers that has a little bit more ridges on them that will help me hold the Rice Crisp into place? That's what it would help me do. All right, so here, let me try to. There we go. I've locked onto the Rice Crisp. Tractor beams enabled, Captain. Oh my goodness, it's breaking apart. Oh no! Oh no! Ah, Mr. Bill! Oh my goodness! I remember Mr. Bill. That used to be great. That used to be a very funny little sketch. There you have it, though. Rice Crisp very easily breaks away, but that's just the single. That's the single Rice Crisp. What's up? Woof! There we go. Clear away that one. So, what about the piece of Rice Krispies treat, which I am holding in my tweezers right now? This is a single globule of the part of the Rice Krispies, that the treat, the watermelon part, the green part of the rind. So let me come all the way out and put this underneath here and see what this guy looks like. Whoa, man, looks like looks like. What is? Excuse me. Will you please stay over that camera? I'm trying to do a show here. Pardon me. No, I don't want to say. Okay, will you? Trying to. Oof. Can you stay there? No. Can you stay there? Well, could you stay there? Okay. So move you just a little bit. Don't stick to the tweezer at all. Oof. There we go. All right. There you have it. These are several pieces of Rice Crisps that have been, or Rice Krispies. I guess I can say Rice Krispies right now. I don't know if there's a proper way to do that or not. These are several pieces of the Rice Crisps that are all kind of put together here. And then, whoa, look at that. Try again. Focus there. Yeah. So this is after the marshmallow has solidified. I don't know. Is a marshmallow a solid, a super saturated? What's the proper material phase of a marshmallow? If you know the proper material phase for a marshmallow, leave a comment down in the comment below so that I can identify the correct phase that this marshmallow is. I know it's not plasma. I know it's not plasma. Could be plasma. If there is there such thing as plasma marshmallow? Is that a new material? Is that a new material phase? Should I go call up Watson or MIT or something, NASA? You know, call up Billy. Whoa! I'm trying to do. Look at that! Oh my goodness! It's goopy. Look at that! You see that? It looks like a science experiment. Hey kids! Hey kids! Look at the frog. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Excuse me. Will you let go? Will you let go? They want to see you, not the tweezers. Man, that is some goopy stuff. This is some major goopage, is what this is. I remember I did that thing on the putty not too long ago, and but this kind of takes a cake. Look at that. Look at the membrane on that thing. That's like straight up out of a Ghostbusters movie or something. Look, he slimed me. Look at that. Man, I did not expect this stuff to be this sticky. Is what it's. Well, I mean, it's a Rice Krispies treat. I kind of knew it was gonna be sticky. Like, let go. There we go. Okay, so the inside there, one can see there is a single Rice Crisp in the inside of the Rice Krispies treat. There it is, a single piece of Rice Crisp buried deep underneath the darn near. Looks like Nickelodeon goo is almost kind of what it looks like there, like the Nickelodeon slime that they used to slime people with. I don't even know if they do that anymore. Last time I turned to Nickelodeon, it was nothing but a bunch of Paw Patrol movies, is what it was. So I don't really quite know what. Oh my goodness, look at that! Look at this. It's all bleh, is what it is. Look at that. Wow, that's kind of cool, actually. That's kind of cool. Look at up close and personal. Slime. See, look at that. Look at this side here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna poke my way out there. Oh my goodness. My goodness. This is straight. Bleh, is what it is. That's really cool. All right, I'm gonna put you down. Can I put you down? Is it okay? Will you please let go? I'll let you go if you let me go. Here, you. All right, come on. Let's. Okay, there we have it. Oh, it's moving. I'm not touching it. Ah! Someone call the Orkin Man. All right, man. That was a thing. Is what it is. Holy cow. So there you have it. Not only a dry Rice crisp, but also the Rice Krispies that are on the inside of a Rice Krispies treat. Snap, crackle, and pop. Or probably, if you are all watching, let me know in the comments below what you think about this. This was definitely another thing. I'm starting to get the impression that food just looks straight up weird when you look underneath the microscope. I might have to do something normal like a bean or a broccoli or something like that. Even then, that might still look it might look kind of interesting. Is what it'll look like. If you want me to scour around my house to try and find something interesting to look at underneath the microscope, let me know in the comments below what you are interested in having me find. And all right, folks, you have yourselves a real good day here, and we'll see you next time. All right, see you later.